Hey guys, welcome to the D&Q experience. Today we are going to do a quick room tour for you guys. We are booked at the Caesars Palace in Las Vegas. The room name will be on the screen because I cannot remember what it is, but that'll be the details for you there. Also be in the description box below. So I'm going to do this really quickly. We are like checking out, so this is a post room tour. So the room may look a little crazy, but the bed stays the same place. Everything else is the same place for you to see. Okay, so let's get to the tour. All right, so our room number is 6583. We do have a doorbell. It don't work. Oh, it's on privacy, so it's not gonna work. Anyways, here's the doorbell. So you walk into the room. This room does connect. So here is the door. As soon as you walk in, on your right hand side is the room to connect to your neighbors. There's your light switches, privacy, and makeup room for the doorbell outside. All right, so coming in, right on the left hand side is the bathroom. Very, very spacious bathroom, very nice, very nice. You have your separate toilet here with the door. That's always convenient. Double sinks. Makeup mirror for you ladies that like to do makeup. However, the light is kind of whack. Jacuzzi tub. Yes, we did use a jacuzzi tub. It worked great. We used shampoo for the bubbles, and then there was way too many bubbles, and we had like, it was crazy. It was a mess, but it was fun. Here is a nice shower. The shower can fit 2 people comfortably. If you needed to know the information, now you know. All right, so going back to the room. To the left is a full-length mirror. Behind the mirror is the closet that of course was not used. Your safe is located in here. Also not used, but I did lock the safe. So let me unlock it. Okay, I unlocked it. And ironing board, a suitcase stand, and an iron. Damion, what do you say about this iron?
It looks as old as something I can't remember.
He said the iron looks as old as Caesar himself.
Yeah.
Rude. Alright, we'll close that back. Now coming into the room, it's a pretty large room. That should have been closed, so I can't see Jack. Whatever. To the left is the bed. I'm gonna go from the other side because this reflection sucks. So now we're in the room. We're on the opposite side of the room. Coming from the bathroom area, which is right there, you have your king-size bed, your TV with the stuff over there. I guess it's a desk and stuff with the chair. You got a little seating area over here, which is also your like dining room table because all of our old food boxes and cups are here. The waiter, housekeeper did not come. Bed, side tables, lamps, a Damion as usual. Was the bed comfortable?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. There's a fridge here.
But it's open when you come into the room. But once you close it, it locks.
And that sign does say it's a charge of $75 for personal use. And there's a PIN code here. So I'm assuming you got to call the office for the code.
Then they charge you.
And then they charge you. So, whoop, beware. And on this side, it's some regular drawers. And last and least, the view. So we have a pool view along with a highway view. So this is not a strip view. But you have some mountains in the background if you like to look at mountains. They're all back there. And that's like a car driving, they're all right there. And then down here will be the pool. what is it, 9 pools?
Yeah.
This one was not open all week. Today is Saturday and they just opened it, so now everybody's down there. Thank you guys for watching today's room tour. Hope you enjoyed it. This is a basic room, you know. This is what it is. See you guys in the next video. Bye.